Hi, Jake with Diode Dynamics. Today in the garage, we're going to be replacing the stock halogen license plate bulbs on this 2018 GMC Yukon Denali. Now this is a small, inexpensive upgrade that makes a huge difference in the overall appearance of your vehicle. Installation is plug and play and takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. To access the incandescent license plate bulbs, you can use a plastic trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver. In our case, these little housings that contain the bulbs popped out with just a little push on either side, so it's going to be the left side of the housing. You push in slightly, and be careful because when you loosen the bulb from the housing itself will come completely loose, so you'll want to just set that to the side. So turn it counterclockwise. To pull the bulb out, we'll set the housing to the side. Then we can remove our stock license plate bulb. Now, if your truck was on recently, be careful because these halogen bulbs do get really hot, so you might need to wear gloves. In our case, the bulb isn't hot at all, but just so you know. Then we'll plug in our LED upgrade. In our case, we're gonna use a cool white HP5 194 size bulb. Then we'll plug that HP5 right into the housing, turn it clockwise to secure it, and then the housing will actually just slip right back in. Then we'll repeat all the same steps on the driver's side of the truck to finalize our installation. Now, because those bulbs are polar sensitive, we recommend going ahead and testing for function before you close your tailgate. Once you're sure that everything's working properly, you close the tailgate and you're done. With our LED license plate bulbs installed, you'll enjoy a cleaner, much more modern look that matches the overall presence of your truck. For more information on our LED license plate bulbs, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.